Okay, so this tutorial is all about on how you can use Google Drive in giving digital files to your learners who prefer to get materials online. Okay, so first is your DepEd or Gmail account dapat naka-sign in. So, since naka-sign in na ang aking DepEd account, ang gagawin ko na lang ay i-click itong Google Apps menu and then look for Drive. So, I'm going to click Drive. Okay. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng Google Drive. So, you can just you can think of Google Drive as an online storage. So, it's a free app, and the good thing about DepEd account is that we are given unlimited storage. So, ibig sabihin kahit na may mga video clips ka, PowerPoint presentation, okay, you can save it here. And whatever gadgets ang gamitin mo, as long as you sign in your DepEd account or Gmail account, ma-access mo yung files na yun. Okay? And meron siyang offline mode din. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung mga files na yun nilagay mo sa offline, pwede mo siyang magamit kahit na walang internet. So, sa cellphone, merong Google Drive app. So, you can download it also. So, for our students who wants to retrieve or get materials online, okay, in their cell phone or in their gadgets, okay, meron silang naka-download na Google Drive apps. Pag desktop or laptop naman, walang problema. As long as they have Gmail account, they can sign in just the way we did sa ating account, and then they can just open their drive at madali nilang makuha yung files. So, here, this is my Google Drive. So, basic lang, meron tayong mga, where if you want to search for files, dito, pwede mong mag-type. Okay? And you can still narrow down yung pag-search mo. Okay? Anong type ng files na hinahanap mo. Okay? So, yan. So, pwede mo ding hanapin based kung kanino yung files na yon. Okay? And so forth. Okay? And another way is, of course, itong pag-click mo itong plus new, yan. Pag-click mo yan, you can create a folder. You can upload files or in folder, and then you can also create other files, okay, Docs, which is the counterpart of Microsoft, and then we have Google Sheets, counterpart ng Microsoft Excel, Google Slides for PowerPoint presentation, and of course, we always use Google Forms if we want to conduct online survey, or yeah. So, ito yung mga iba-ibang apps. So, pag-click nyo yung plus. And then, another is, you can see here yung priority, My Drive. Okay, so, nasa My Drive ako. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga files owned by me or made by me. Akong gumawa. And then, pag pinindot mo yung shared drives, okay, so, lahat ng files na naka-share sa other DepEd or Gmail users. Okay? So far, wala akong naka-share na files dito. Okay, sa iba. So, yan. Or, pwede ding share with me. So, pag pinindot mo naman yung share with me, ibig sabihin, ito yung mga files na shinare sa'yo ng ibang tao. Okay? So, yan. So, depende kung ano yung files na hinahanap mo. Owned by you, ikaw ba yung gumawa, so My Drive ka mag-search. Kung shinare mo sa iba, para mas madali mong mahanap, so share drives, or share with me, yung may mga shinare sa'yo. Okay? And then recent, pag yung mga recent files, lalabas dyan. And then yung start, yung mga minark mo ng start. And then yung mga tinapon mo, yung ni-remove mo, so makikita mo dito sa trash. Okay, yan. So, how can you use Google Drive how can you use Google Drive in giving digital files to your learners? Okay, so first thing is i-click ang plus and then click folder. Yan. So dapat nasa My Drive tayo. Okay, wait lang, ulitin ko. So nasa My Drive tayo. Okay. Click plus new and then piliin ang folder. Yan. And then, papangalanan natin based sa pangalan ng ating advisory section. So, for example, 10B Alessandro Volta. Okay, so that's the name of, and then lagyan na natin ng school year din para magana 2020 to 2021. So, ito yung magiging main folder natin. Okay, so for our advisory section. So, click create. So, pagka-click ng create, hanapin lang sa My Drive yung folder na yon kasi, ayan, so nandyan yan. I-double click, okay, para mag-open yung folder. So, it is empty so far. So, alam kong nandito ako sa loob ng folder ng 10B Alessandro Volta. Okay? So, habang nandito ka sa loob, what we're going to do is you're going to click again, plus new, and we're going to repeat the same, but this time we're going to create subfolders inside the main folder. So, how many subjects yung mga estudyante natin meron? So, an average of 8 subjects. Depende kung regular or special program. Okay? So, let's say for example, there are 8 subjects. So, we're going to make 8 subfolders. Okay? Corresponding to those 8 subjects. So, folder, and then we're going to name it based on the name of the subject. Let's say, for example, Science 10. Okay, create. And then we're going to click again, plus folder. Okay, and then we're going to put Math 10. Okay, Math 10. Okay, so as you can see, every time I add a folder, nag-add siya sa loob mismo ng main folder. Next folder again, folder, example lang to, Filipino 10. Then click create. Create. Ay, sorry, wala siyang title. So, ayan, meron pala. Okay, ayan na doble. So, ito, for example, you accidentally click folder at you forgot to name it. You rename it. So, itapat lang doon sa folder, right click, and then choose rename. So, gawin nating English 10. Ayan. So, click OK. Or if you want to remove a folder, kasi hindi mo naman kailangan, itapat lang dun sa folder and click remove. And then it will go directly sa trash. So, you imagine meron ka ng 8 folder dyan. Okay? So, ang gagawin mo ngayon, okay, is pwede mo na siyang i-modify. So, ang gagawin natin is i-click mo yung arrow dito. You can choose share or get shareable link. So, ang gagawin ko muna itong share. Pares lang naman ang lalabas na box. Okay? Ang gagawin ko is i-edit ko yung accessibility ng folder. So, for the accessibility of the learners or parents, viewer. Kasi even if they are viewer, they can download the files, save inside these folders. Okay? So, they can open the main folder and access the files inside the subfolders. Okay? So, let's say for example, pindutin ko muna itong change. Okay? Yung restriction ng folder. Gagawin ko, anyone, ang gagawin ko ay, hintayin muna natin, but ayaw niya mag-click yan. Anyone with the link. So, anyone with the link can access or can open the Google, the folder. Okay? So, ibig sabihin kahit na wala silang Gmail, actually, pwede nilang ma-open basta meron sila ng link. Pero, they should be viewer lang. Okay? So, ito yung para sa mga estudyante or parents. Ito yung ibibigay natin. But before we click done, ang gagawin natin is i-share natin yung folder, okay, sa ibang teachers. Particularly the subject teachers. Okay? So, example lang natin, yung mga subject teacher ay sina Sir Ronnie Absalon. Siya yung teacher nila sa research. Si Ma'am Ronilyn Benitez. Okay? Siya yung teacher nila sa isa pang subject. Si Ma'am Liana, subject nila sa Filipino, example lang, sino pa, okay. So, yeah, let's say for example, so, but they should be labeled as editor, so that they can upload files in their folders, though they can see, and edit the contents of other folders, but as owner, kung may pagbabago man nangyari or activities doon sa mga folders, pwede mong makita. So, ipapakita ko mamaya doon sa activity kung paano mo ma-check kung sino yung mga So, subject teacher should be assigned as editors. Okay? So, you can notify them, the teacher that you are added as editors in the folder of 10B. Please upload the digital files please upload the digital files in your assigned subfolder. Assign subfolder. Okay. So, click send. So, manonotify ngayon yung mga subject teachers. Okay. So, share outside of organization. Yes, especially if some of your, if some subject teacher, gumagamit sila ng Gmail. So, share anyway. Share natin sa kanila. So, again, only the subject teachers will be the editors, while the students and parents, viewers lang sila. But they can download it. So, example lang natin. Yan. Okay. So, idagdag ko pa sa ating, okay, okay na yan. Okay na yan. So, clinic ko ulit yung arrow. This time naman, kukunin ko yung link. Okay? Kukunin ko yung copy link. Okay, copy link. Okay? Pwede kong ibigay ito sa mga subject teacher para mabuksan nila. Okay? At ito din yung link na ibibigay ko sa mga estudyante. Parehas lang. Kaya lang yung accessibility is magkaiba. Sa estudyante, viewer. Sa mga added emails ng mga teacher, editor sila. Okay? So, ito yung link na to. At yung link na to ay napakahaba. Okay? Kaya pwede nating i-shortcut. Mamaya papakita ko on how you can shorten this link. So, before that, magsasample tayo kung paano mag-a-upload yung subject teacher ng file. So, let's say for example, ito. Copy ko yung link and then click done. Okay? So, let's say for example, ibibigay ko sa subject teacher tong link para makapag-upload na siya. Okay? Actually, may manonotify naman yung teacher sa kanyang email at ma-access niyo yung folder. Pwede din ganun. But pwede din ibigay niyo yung link. So, kinopy na natin yung link pero napakahaba niyan. Ang gagawin natin is mag-open ako dito ng tinyurl.com and then I'm going to paste the copied link here para ma-shorten or ma-personalize. So, I'm going to paste it here. Yan. And then, mamimili ako. So, tinyurl.com siguro grade 10 Alessandro Volta. So, mas madali na lang yan matatandaan kasi tinyurl.com/grade 10 Alessandro Volta. And then, I'm going to click make tinyurl as long as yung napiling pangalan or link ay available, magge-generate yan. So, ayan. So, na-generate na. Okay. Ang link na ngayon is tinyurl.com/grade 10 AV. Okay. So, pwede mo na itong ibigay ngayon sa parents or doon sa estudyante through email or text. Okay. Mas madali na lang. And pwede mo din itong ibigay sa teacher, subject teachers para makapag-upload sila ng files, ng materials doon sa folder na i-access ngayon ng mga magulang or estudyante. So, example tayo, kunwari ibigay ko to, how can subject teachers upload materials in that folder that you've created. So, example lang, kakopy ko tong link and I'm going to switch my account. Going to switch to the account of Ma'am Liana. So, Ma'am Liana was added, her email was added as teacher, as Filipino teacher. Tama? So I'm now in this account. So, I'm going to paste the link. So, let's say for example, the advisor gave the link to me. So, now I'm going to paste it here or type it and then press enter. So, yan. So, mag-open doon sa mismong folder. Hintayin lang natin ma-process. Okay, being processed. Okay, medyo, natatagal lang mag-open, but that's okay. Hintayin lang natin. Yan. Okay. So, yan. So, na-open ko na. So, for me, since I'm the Filipino teacher, bubuksan ko ngayon itong Filipino. Double-click. Okay. Double-click. Sorry, hintayin natin. Ayan. So, nandito na ako ngayon sa loob, okay, ng Filipino 10 folder. So, ang gagawin ko is mag-upload ako ng materials dito sa Filipino. So, I'm going to click plus and then file upload. Now, I'm going to search in my laptop or in my computer the files in Filipino. Let's, for